Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip through Massachusetts on I-95 South, beginning at mile 30 in the town of Dedham, Norfolk County. We're in the last couple of miles of concurrency with State Route 128, which, along with I-95, form a half beltway around the western side of the Boston metropolitan area. Here we enter the town of Westwood with an estimated population of 16,231 as of 2022. Westwood, first settled in 1641, was originally part of Dedham and known as West Dedham until its incorporation in 1897, making it the last town to separate from Dedham. The town seal features a drawing of the town animal pound, reflecting its historical roots. We've picked up a short reverse concurrency with US 1 here. US 1 and I-95 separated as US 1 went into Boston and I-95 went around the city. So at this point, I-95 is on an eastward heading and US 1 is heading westward, but both are about to turn south again. We enter the town of Canton, and just ahead is the southern terminus of I-93. I-95 is going to turn 90 degrees to the right to head south again, and State Route 128 also terminates here. If we were to continue straight, we would be going north through Boston on I-93, as well as US 1 north. We enter the town of Norwood, formed in 1872, and another town that was originally part of Dedham. Norwood had an estimated population of 31,317 as of 2022. We enter the town of Sharon with an estimated population of 18,408. Because of an eccentric border between Norwood and Sharon, we'll pass back into Norwood and then again into Sharon over the next couple of miles. we enter the town of Foxborough, which has an official spelling of Foxborough, but is often abbreviated to Foxboro, which is the spelling that the U.S. Postal Service uses. The shortened spelling can also be seen on the green sign on the side of the road that we passed as we entered the town's limits, as well as on the exit sign ahead for exit 13B. We see the southern connection to I-495 here, although this is not its terminus. The Outer Beltway continues around the southern half of Boston and ends in the town of Wareham. This is where we enter the town of Mansfield, with origins going back as far as 1640, when Captain Miles Standish explored the area. Settlement began in 1658, and the town was officially incorporated in 1775. Mansfield is home to the Xfinity Center, one of New England's most popular concert venues. We've also entered Bristol County, getting out of the Boston Metro and into the Providence, New Bedford, Warwick, Rhode Island, Massachusetts Metropolitan Statistical Area. The county has an estimated population of 581,841 as of 2023. Now we've entered the city of North Attleboro, and again this is a city with the longer official spelling, but is frequently abbreviated with the BORO on the end. The city has an estimated population of 30,930 as of 2022. We conclude today's video just 8 miles from the Rhode Island border. Thanks for watching. Special thanks to our channel members listed on the end screen. You too can hit the join button and become a member for as little as $1 a month and get early access to our regular videos. Or it's completely free to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, post a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.